Let me show you how you can make the best of my official story. First, I'm going to log in. I click on the login tab. I enter my login. And here you can see my password, which is a 16-character code. And I'm only required to enter the yellow box here. And for me, it's a T. That's another T. And that's for me an M. So I do it 3 times and I click on enter. I'm in the system. The system identifies me like it does with everybody, and I can access a magazine where you can see an article about a woman, a man, a company, an article, a club. But again, this is a magazine. We display those articles 8 at a time only. Your contents will not be visible on this part. In my profile, you can access your personal data and change your password. If you go in My Story, that's your bank. That's where you can find all the text that you've already stored in all kinds of languages, all the pictures that you've already uploaded, documents, articles, and a marketplace where you can sell or buy some items. Let's say I want to send an article to a specific person in his own language. It's very, very simple. I just go into Promote. Here I just select the article I want to send. Let's say I want to send Entrepreneur by Nature, and I want to pick, let's say, Indie. I have several options. Let's say for today I'm only removing the ads, and I click on Create and go to step 4. And you can see the system has already generated a very secret and secure link. Whoever will click on this link will open the article. Have a look at this. In 1 second, you can read my article in Hindi with the picture of my choice. On the side, you can also see fact and figures and several other articles. You can also find a few pictures that I have made public at the time. And that's what the person you will send your email to will be able to access. Now, if you want to make a public page out of it, it's also very simple. You go back to Promote, but this time you go on Address. You specify the name of the public page that you want. For me, it's Jérôme Bloch. You decide which article will be on the home page, in which language. You can also remove the ads. And again, in a click, I generate myofficialstory.com/Jérôme Bloch. You can also use, like here, the short address, myofst.com, the 2 first letters of each word. And you can see that if I click on this address, I display my personal page in the language of my choice with all my other contents. Finally, let's say that tomorrow morning you have a conference and you would like that all the people attending your presentation go away with a paper presentation of what you said. It's very simple too. You just go into your bank in My Story, you go in Articles, and here you see that the conference I do present about image control, called Dealing with the Mess, has already been uploaded here. So I just go in it, I check that the text is fine for me, and when I'm happy with it, I click on Download Article, and you can see I get a high-resolution PDF in 1 second. Now, if I want to print it, I've asked my designer to make a first page which is illustrated the way our company normally communicates. And on the back page, I'm ready to print my article. I click on Print. Here we go. I have a professional page where my message is clearly replicated that people will be able to go away with. By using My Official Story, you actively control your image, and if you have a look, for example today on Google, you can see that my favorite picture is here, and that if people click on it, they access my personal page. If you need any help, just call us.